So we arrived Davido's in-laws house for the final. You know now. Voila. Okay, we just observe the ambience of the compound, the bride's compound. Davido's betrothed, Davido's beautiful wife. Now Papa compound today, so let's complete what we came to do and take our wife back home. Omo, that's how it's true. I don't move. They don't really say, okay, the video dance, the dreams, there's just the dreams small, understand? While we now, we will be guys, we just move a month for this side. So you get, they see all this, CDS, see a large, dan tata. Oh man, a large get money, oh. So just go sit down. Then this Okobo for that side they come. Because they make me come out. I come sit down with Chief Tobo. Then Omo, so we sit down now. Next thing, opening prayer. In the name of God the Father, in the name of God the Son, in the name of God the Holy Spirit. See me see wahala. As I do side of cross, now this Okobo still come again. No, this Okobo just come. Let me rest. Alright, so seated after the prayer. Then 1 or 2, then we'll move straight to the throne of the bride and the groom. We must sit dance now. At this junction, man. At this junction, don't they choke? Now they enter, go spray my own. $6. The $2 I see. Money now water. If I hear pim, Papa, you spray the video in here. You spray in here. Do want to share this video. Make sure you share this video. Share it massively. You will say never marry. Share this video. You will don't marry. Share this video. Get why? That is with you. I love you guys.